Today marks 1 year since the Conception boat fire that killed 34 people off the coast of Santa Barbara. City officials marked the tragedy by honoring the victims with the unveiling of a memorial plaque this morning. Well, the NTSB is set to announce more findings on the fire next month. KSBY's Dustin Kleeman has the story.
Vessel in distress. This is Coast Guard Sector Los Angeles on Channel 16. What is your position and number of persons on board? Over.
I can't breathe. That emergency call from Captain Jerry Boylan, one of the few who survived the fire on the Conception dive boat 1 year ago. 33 passengers and 1 crew member died as the 75-foot vessel became engulfed in flames around 3:15 in the morning while everyone was asleep. Lawsuits argue it sparked from overloaded ion lithium battery charging stations. Coroner reports indicate the victims died of smoke inhalation, though more details of what happened that morning are expected to be released and voted on by the NTSB next month.
My partner, Officer Carl Helmachek, and I responded to the Conception dive boat fire off the coast of Santa Cruz Island. It would turn out to be the most tragic call of our careers. We will now unveil the plaque.
On Wednesday, city officials remembered the lives lost, unveiling a plaque at the Lost at Sea Memorial.
The 34 men and women who were drawn together on that dive boat were a cross-section of humanity. Younger, older, and in between, they were people of different races and origins, white, Hispanic, and Asian. Most lived in California, but some were from Arizona, China, Singapore, and India.
The fire is the deadliest maritime disaster in the U.S. since 1989 and has forced changes in the wake of the tragedy.
I also want to say that the 34 did not die in vain. As a direct result of their loss, small vessel safety regulations and boating practices have already changed. Safer and better practices have become the norm, and other lives will be saved as a result.
In Santa Barbara, I'm Dustin Kleeman, KSBY News.
Families of 32 of the victims and 1 surviving crew member have filed claims against the Fritzler Family Trust and the boat company Truth Aquatics. Criminal charges could potentially be filed. We will continue to follow the investigation as it continues.
And tonight, criminal charges loom following that deadly boat fire. The captain of the boat could face a federal manslaughter charge. Legal experts say prosecutors are likely trying to apply the seaman's manslaughter statute that predates the Civil War. It was enacted to punish negligent captains, engineers, and pilots for deadly steamboat accidents. Convictions carry a penalty of up to 10 years in prison.